Hi, in this video I am going to share you how to create a Google ad campaign step by step. It is a quick, short, a guideline that help you understand how we can set up Google ad account. First of all, you have to sign in your Google Ads account, ads.googlead.com. If you don't have any Google ad account, then you can start now, or if you have already Google ad account, then click the sign in button. After clicking sign in button, you will get this type of interface. Okay, so here you can see so this is the Google ad interface. So for then to create a ad campaign, please click a campaign option. So first of all, you have to select the campaign option, then you will get the your objective of your campaign: lead, sales, website traffic, etc. Just uh, click your object according to your target achieve goal. Okay, so now then click the after lead of this option, then you need to select your conversion tracking lead. If you don't have set up conversion tracking, then please contact me. I will help you to set up your goal conversion tracking. Then click the continue option. After continue option, here you can see the campaign of type, a search campaign, performance, demand, display, YouTube video campaign. If you want to run a video ad campaign, then select the video ad campaign. If you want to run a website traffic ad campaign, then click the search ad campaign. If you have a video and a search both, then click the performance ad campaign. Or if you have already um, e-commerce website, then you should select shopping ad campaign. I just select search ad campaign, and then click the next option. Okay, so if you select this option, here you can see after clicking this option you will get the new option. Okay, so just 1 minute. Here you can see website traffic, phone calls, store visit, lead form submission. Just click website. Okay, so if you click the website, then they will want to take your website. Just copy your website URL and paste here. Okay, so if you have a specific targeted website page, just paste here, then continue. After continuing the option, you will get the best option, next option. So here you can see write a campaign name. Just write according to your campaign name, and thus you can understand 50 is 40 USD per day. Then click the continue option, then click if you want to create a new campaign, then click focus, not conversion, click conversion. If you want to set up your CPC, cost per click, you can do $2, $3, etc. So I think you should not select this one. If you want to control, then you can use 2 or 3 according to your keyword. So I not will select bid for new customer. You can also campaign bid for new customer, because but you should not use now, right now, if you are a beginner of your campaign. Search network and display network, if you want to show your ad, YouTube ads, other search network, then you can use this one, or you can unclick to, if you don't want show ad another places. So click this one. Okay, and I recommend it or not recommend it based on your businesses. Then you have to target your location. Then here you can see click the next, presence or people in regular in location. This is the perfect. If you want to target any language, then here you can see Scandinavian, Chinese, Croatian, Dutch, you can also target. Then after clicking this option, please more settings, add rotation, add schedule. If you want to run ad campaign all day, please click the all day option. If you want to set up your end option, just click as end option, and it ad will be end on this option. Okay, so hopefully you understand. And then you have to write, you have to paste your keyword here. Okay, so if you paste your keyword, then you need to go next option. After go to the next option, just 1 minute, I just repeat again. Here you need to keyword, so you have to keyword which already you have researched. So paste all your keywords. After pasting this keyword, then you need to go next option. Okay, so if next option, budget, set a budget. Recommended is a Google. You can set up your also your custom budget. So I will set up 40 USD. Okay, 40 USD, and go to the next option. So campaign is ready, but we need to set up our ad. So I need to go is back again. Just 1 minute. So if you, here we can see write our ad copy. Just click this one. Here you need to write, here you need to write your ad copy. So you have to write your ad copy that attract your client, attract your visitors. And also you can add images, you can add business logos, site links, 1 2 3 call out extension. You can set up perfectly. If you don't have if you don't know how to set up, please check others video on my YouTube channel. I already set up, I already write this one. Okay, so after writing your ad copy, then click the next option. After next option, here you can see publish. Your campaign is almost ready to publish. Then you can publish your ad campaign very easily. Everything is occur. Okay, so if this page is coming, then you can write your publish ad campaign very easily. So you hopefully you understand the simple process of Google Ad setup. So you can set up according to this way. Complete this step. You can set up your Google Ad campaign very easily. So if you need any services, to set up your Google Ad campaign, then please contact us. I will help you. I'm a senior and Google Ad specialist, also working as a remote or freelancer. Thank you so much for watching this video.